This is the elevator at the brand new Franklin on Penn in Strip District, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's brand new Otis Gen2. That's probably, actually I think there was permit a few years ago, but noticed that we go recently. Took a little bit for this place to get done. Basement. Here we go down. Feel loud.
Basement.
Basement.
Going up.
Up to 4. Here we go up. And bouncy.
Fourth floor.
Here 4.
Going down.
Back down to 1. It's a basic stainless steel Otis elevator with many pot lights. It's an old building that was renovated, and I think they did some additions to now its apartments.
First floor.
Here 1.
Going up.
Instead of watching the elevator close, we're going to show another elevator here. This place also has this like car conveyor, like parking device. I don't know how exactly to use it. I think you have to be a resident obviously to use it, but still pretty cool. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool to see that in action.